I said, okay, here's why you have that problem. And I'm gonna solve FOMO for all of you right now in 2 minutes.
There we
Right?
go.
I'm gonna solve FOMO in 2 minutes. There are only a limited number of things that the market can do at any given moment in time. Okay. The market, when we're in the zone, for example, we can get a sharp move down that just keeps going and going and going. Scenario number one. Scenario number two is that we just chop around here for quite some time. Scenario number three is that we just go up and up and up. Scenario four is that we get a false breakdown, right? And then the final scenario would be like a false breakout higher. So there's a limited number of scenarios. Now, how many of those scenarios do you have an actionable trade plan for? How many of those scenarios can you specifically say, if this happens, then I do that? And if the answer is 5, then fantastic. You can trade the market no matter what happens. I don't have 5 trade plan scenarios. I'll say that right now. I've got a very clear scenario in mind if we have a look below and fail. I have a very clear scenario in mind if we have a look above and fail. I will struggle to trade this if we just get a directional move lower without any kind of pause. But I also think that's the least likely scenario. I think the most likely scenario is some kind of false breakdown, a false breakout, or just consolidation. Right? So because I'm able to visualize and prepare for all the different possibilities, I'm not going to FOMO into a trade because I've already predetermined under what conditions I'm allowed to take a trade in the first place.